So I hit 100 subscribers, and it's time to do the 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm about 90% done printing out the parts. I just have a few flexible parts to do. I'm drying the filament to do that. I even have extra parts, as you'll notice, for bonus prizes, including this variety pack, 5 pieces of plated nozzles from Microswiss. Thank you, Microswiss, for that. Really appreciate the support there. And all you got to do is head over to my Ninjatek RC mod torture test video. I'll leave a link in the description. I want you to tell me what the tire covers are made out of. Then the truck's going to flip. And I want you to tell me how many rotations the truck does right after I tell you what the tire covers are made out of. Head over to that video. I'll choose a winner in a week. It's March 16th right now. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it again. Take care.